Welcome to this tutorial. How to do citation in Microsoft Word. Ever found yourself drowning in sources in citations while writing a paper? Fear not. Word has your back with some slick automatic features. From effortlessly managing your sources to generating that oh-so-important bibliography or reference list, we've got it all covered. Let's explore these features together, and soon you'll be the citation maestro in your academic arena. Open your Word document. Click on the References tab at the top of the menu. Under the Citations and Bibliography, click on the Insert Citation option. From the drop-down list, click on the Add New Placeholder. Give a name to your placeholder and click on the OK button. Click on the down arrow of placeholder in the document and then click on the Edit Citation option. In the Pages box, give a page number to a citation. You can also select the checkbox of author, year, and title. After this, click on the OK button. Make sure that your citation is selected, then click on the drop-down of Style in the References menu ribbon. Select any style from the list that meets your requirements. Place your cursor in your Word doc and click on the drop-down of Bibliography in the Reference ribbon. Click on the option of Bibliography. Now, place your cursor in your Word document and click on the Insert Citation. Click on the Add New Source from the drop-down list. In the Create Source window, select a type of source and write the author name, title, year, city name, and publisher. You can also select the checkbox of Show All Bibliography fields for more options. You can now add more details in the required fields. Click on the OK button. Later, if you want to edit the citation, then click on the drop-down of a citation and then click on the Edit Source. In the Edit Source window, you can change any details. To manage all sources, click on the Manage Sources at the top of the Reference ribbon. In the Select Source Manager window, you can select any citation that is added to your document and edit it. Hope this was easy. Have a nice day. Please like and subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon to get new video updates.